Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can find your saved or liked sports lights on Snapchat. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. So here go ahead and tap on that top left corner where the little profile icon is located. Once you scroll down all the way down, you can see my favorite. Tap on view all. So these are the saved or liked sports lights on Snapchat. So this is how it is easy and simple to find your saved or liked sports lights on Snapchat. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.